Hatiri undu tangaja riu mutaratara mweru wa githomo ni ukwambiriria kurutithio wira thiini wa mathukuru mothe tamu-ini ino ya mbere. Minister wa githomo Dr Fred Matiang'i niwe wikirite uhoro uyu mukonde thutha wa gucemania na anyiti itemi ruhonge-ini rwa githomo kiroko kia umuthi kuria oritie muingi na bururi kunyitanira na thirikari hari gukinyaniria muoroto uyu.
We have now officially commenced the rollout activities of the curriculum as envisaged in our plan all along. I thank all these colleagues for their commitment and their focus to ensuring that we strengthen the quality of the education of our children, that we prepare and produce manpower that will be globally competitive, that we give our children the opportunity they need.
Ihinda-ini riu Matiang'i augite mutaratara uyu urongoreirie kugacirithia mathomo na miturire ya ciana, akiuga anyiti itemi othe ni marakuruhanirio hari gukinyaniria ugaruruku uyu. Oho ni augite gukinyiria riu arutani matanyihiire 170 ni mamukirite githomo kia uria mafatie kukinyaniria mathukuru-ini.
We anticipated that when we get to 2018 we begin the rollout first of all through a national pilot. We trained 170,000 teachers to handle the material of grade 1 and 2. We piloted some of this material. We worked on the designs. You can see they are here.
Mwikaririgite wa bodi ya ruhonge rwa kumurika mitaratara ya githomo Sara Ruto augite mehariria mothe ma kurugurio kwa mutaratara uyu ni marikite.
There comes a time where you have to stop preparing and you take the next step. And as a nation, I think we would like to invite all of us to take this next step because we have done what it needs to be done in order to enable us to do this.
Mwena-ini wake, mwandiki munene wa kiama kia arutani Wilson Sosion niaugite ni maiganiire na uria mutaratara ucio uhana, akiuria arutani kurutithania wira na ruhonge rwa githomo kurutithia wira.
The activities that have been lined up for this year satisfies our concerns as teachers, that when there will be a session of paper, the two, of course, the report shall be presented at the parliamentary committee level. 3, there will be a national conference to debate.
Nake mwikaririgite wa kiama kia acabithia a mabuku bururi-ini Lawrence Jage augite ni makoretwo magikuruhanio mutaratara-ini ucio na ni mahaririirie mabuku maria maratwarana naguo.
Our books are very practical in approach. What we have done now, what you had before, were very objective, very question answer based kind of materials.
Riri ari ikereka ria keri ria kugerio kwa mutaratara uyu, arutwo nasari kirathi kia mbere na gia keri nio megukorwo makiwambiriria. Mutaratara mweru wa githomo uria ugukorwo ukiingirio thiini wa mathukuru mothe thiini wa bururi wa Kenya ugukorwo ukigerio ikinya gwa ikinya, na uguo ni kuga ati ni kuri na kanya ga gwika mogaruruku maria mangibatarania niguo kukinyaniria na njira iria yagiriire. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Ngina wa Wadurwa.